Everything's set up. There we go. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, my charts are fairly messy. But let's go ahead and get some people in here on the stream. Alright, let's just cut this first half out, man. YouTube 100 drawings. So I'm gonna basically break down this top to bottom for everybody. Let's go ahead and mark up all the weekly openings. So weekly opening here, weekly opening here, and this is the next closest one we can gravitate towards. So I'm gonna just keep those three. So this is the current week, previous week's high, previous week's low, which we ran. Alright, let's go down to the daily. Getting a lot of nice rejections from this level, not gonna lie. Let's see. Let's clean this up some more. And yeah, hold on, let me. Alright, daily, let's go down to 4 hour. So again, the reason why we're marking off these previous weeks highs and lows is so we have not only targets but areas of interest where we can expect some sort of reaction from price, which we did here. We are currently closing in on the previous day's high. Still got previous days low here. If anything, I'm pretty positive we've already ran the previous day's high, essentially. But That's what makes it also a little confusing sometimes.
See, we about to look like 30? More likely, because, I mean, if I'm looking at NAS, because at least with 30, it's, all you need to do is continue buying up. Because 30 already... You reacted off the fair value gap last night. Off the 1 hour fair value gap, and you respected it.
Yo, which one time?
I got you. Let's see. It's the fair value gap that's at 49,419 on the 1 hour.
Top of the morning. Oh, I see it.
Yep. So yeah, it respected that one. The volume didn't close below it, and it's been buying up since. So ICT 30 continue to buying up from where it's at. I don't see why it won't continue buying up. Now that's been that little range, so I am not trusting that.
I was heading straight for the gap.
Yep. Yeah, I'll see how it reacts off that. Yeah, I'll see how it reacts off that fair value gap area.
Yeah, that's also a 4 hour imbalance.
Yup. So I'm just keeping my eyes on 30 look like 30 look like she didn't do that, so yeah, I learned my lesson. See, because I don't know why it's like either one or the other is good.
Yeah, it's always like that.
It's always one or the other. They both can be good. They both can be good people.
It's not a good day though.
Look like I might eat you on 30 already. 30 already on you right now, so I ain't forcing my entry though. I ain't forcing nothing.
We have 5 seconds, so not 30, so I see.
Oh. Damn, 30.
Before I buy.
You know what? Ooh, 30. Oh, 30 say, hold my drink. Hold my drink. 30 said, hold my drink.
And I might get my entry here. Go to retracing to my entry.
Oh, you can take that? You taking 32?
Yeah, 4 hour imbalance. I might.
Might up, bro. We can do 4 hours. Oh, I think that's what you talking about. Oh, that's what I think it's. Oh, wait. I think you already hit it. Yeah, you already tapped it.
Yeah, it's there really right now.
Oh, yeah, you already tapped it. Yeah.
It's pushing past it, though, so I ain't getting.
Yeah, you see that, or I might wait, or you could wait for the 4 hour. Next 4 hour one is like right below it. You could wait for the next 4 hour gap at 49,466. But I ain't gonna lie though, the 4 hour time frame, it does look nasty though, because we did break strikes to the downside. So actually, now I think about it, they both look kind of nasty. They both look nasty.
And it's west.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they both look nasty, bro.
You heard? Why did you press real quick?
Looking like a no trade.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, both my ideas just got cooked. I'm probably not trading it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Nobody's forcing nothing today. I ain't gonna lie, it's not worth it.
I ain't forcing no more L's. I already got my ass waxed on Monday, and I was like, yeah. I mean, it's cool though. It's cool. If I don't really have to trade this week, shoot, you just wait for a good week. Last week was giving out moves, so you know what I'm saying.
Type of shit though. That's the mentality.
Saying I don't care if I don't gotta take no moves this week. Who knows? Maybe next week's a lot of good moves. See, you got to put yourself in a position where you don't have to take a move.
And then once it's time to take the moves will make enough money to where it makes up for the trades that you get to take.
Nah, fuck all that, man.
No. See, you gotta watch out for this nigga right here. You watch out for this nigga right here. Watch out for that nigga right there. That nigga funny as hell. My boy said F all that. SMC. He would.
Nah, that's real shit.
Yeah, 30 dropped like smug.
Yeah, I avoided that right there. Yeah, 30 out of there, but she done hate that. She done pull an ass.
Yo, you on a boat train?
Shit dumps. Yeah.
Wow, Nas bought up. Wow, Nas. What's going on with you today?
Now let's see what we can do. Y'all can hear me, right?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Yeah, Dad.
My boy went to Bass Pro.
They got better Wi-Fi here than a lot of places. Yeah, bro, we in Bass Pro Shop, bro.
You said Bass Pro Shop.
For real? I know when they be starting the boats. Yeah, bro, I'm not on.
Nah, that's a boat storage.
It's a warehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just wait, it's gonna tow me away. I'm gonna get towed soon. Not moving, I'm really getting towed. That's what I'm saying. No, look, we're not really on a yacht. We're just in a warehouse. Oh yeah, it's like, you know when people rent the private jet just for the photo. Exactly. That's what we did. It's all concrete. It's not really water. So what? I might fuck around and die. I got this being recorded right here. Oh, okay. This is right here recording. That's on? Yeah, it's on. Good. This nigga still recorded too? Man, get out of here.
I might get into Nas too.
I had caught that 30 trade.
I'm liking long. I'm liking these longs on Nas. I think maybe Nas might be able to get up.
Bro, Wednesday's choppy, bro. Wednesday's my least profitable day.
Yeah, I didn't even really like that trade.
I was looking at Nas. I won't take longs.
But I'm waiting. I'm probably wait for the 10 o'clock candle potential though. I'm not.
They have to push the button just one down.
Yeah.
Fucking hot outside.
I'm just excited to get my hair done, man. Shoot, cause man, I was looking crazy in that video, bro. I'm looking crazy in that shooting video.
Damn, 30. Okay, 30's not.
Oh my gosh, 30.
On a mission.
What the freak?
Yeah, 30 on a mission.
I was bearish on 30. I went up and retreat up.
It's like yesterday. The entry that I missed yesterday from the 1 hour gap.
That shit shitting.
Did they do the same shit?
Nah, I didn't retrace. It just broke through. It just died.
Yeah, you're right.
30.
I'm telling you, Wednesday's be on some shit, bro. I mean, Nas will fuck around getting the retracement back. Considering Nas ran the previous high and it's consolidating like this, I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh my gosh, that dropped too?
Bro, it keeps going and going.
Bro,
Straight to fucking hell.
Nas is dropping too now, bro.
No retreat.
I had got in off that 1 hour imbalance. Well, I really played off the 4 hour candle. But yeah, for 30. I had got on at the top of that imbalance.
I might get Nas sales too. I would be funny. We getting Nas sales right now after this gap. Oh, damn, late.
At that entry wasn't even really like a. I wasn't too sure about that shit. It was just more so I was.
Nah, yeah, I was looking. I was looking at 30. I was like, if US 30 from below it and comes up, I'll take it for sales. It just blow it and jump. It just fell.
Yeah, bullshit. Yeah.
Nah, but you cooked though. Up you and your end though.
It did all that in 1 minute though. Like a 1 minute candle at opening bell dropped down like 100 points.
Yeah, that was a quick trade for sure.
Yeah, literally on the 1 minute time frame, it dropped like 140 points. I mean, there's no way in the hell I was gonna get that move. We were already been hit TP by then.
That shit was crazy.
But yeah, it's kind of tough because it's like, you know, it's like everybody getting all the lines in there. It's kind of hard to force sales. It's kind of hard forcing sales because like if you lose, like damn, why am I selling all time highs? But it's like then if you lose taking buys, it's like bro, what the heck? So that's why it's like I don't know. I've been in that weird state, flow state.
Until 30 runs that low,
I think that shit can still buy, so I'm gonna stay away from that shit. Yeah,
right now it's ranging and shit.
Exactly. I was like, yeah, if I can't take a buy, I'm probably not gonna take it. I'm responsible selling these pairs.
Any of the trades I was making was planned to be in range because this shit looked too wacky.
Nah, the fact that it moved that fast, I wouldn't be surprised if 30s chop around. I mean, like I said, the last month it'll move at 9:30 and then just consolidates. They'll give a good 10-minute push and then it get choppy. I'll be down for the pullback if that happened at 10 o'clock, bro. I would have wanted to pull back right now at 9:30 and then possibly go up. I'm not with that. Especially because Wednesday, that's already enough. It's chopped up on the Wednesday. Yeah. Come on now. I learned from my mistakes.
Bullshit.
Because Wednesday's the one day where you will force that shit.
It's easy.
Yo. This shit is not yet. Did anyone get a trade? Or y'all just kind of waiting to see?
Man, I'm feeling like you, Dre. I'm feeling like you right now.
What's my entry right now?
That shit was a damn yo. I made $1,400 on the day.
Off of what?
I shorts from the London high.
Yeah.
Because that was the previous day.
I took the shorts as well.
Pretty drop, and I was like, all right, let me play. So scalp it. Shit work.
I'm gonna need some odds. Y'all want to see the boat real quick while we wait?
Yeah, say that.
I'm finna go on the boat this week. Fuck it.
Should have came out here, pal. Mac, you was for day too late. Well, a morning too late.
You want wipers?
I was like, you're just a morning too late. You would have came.
No. Yo, you would have done shit tomorrow? I mean,
that's fucking good. Here, let me show y'all. I got my Wi-Fi though. It shouldn't disconnect. Here, this is the inside. Inside is calm. Can't complain. There's only
That
4 of
shit
us on it
chill.
though.
How much was it?
That's calm. 14.
14? Yeah, that ain't bad.
That's the best down here. Look, let's see. If I lose some trades, that's where I'm done. Matter of fact, nah, I like this one better. Look at this. My cruise boat. They got mirrors. It's kind of freaky.
Nah, that's Ricky Zio.
They got mirrors in the cave. Look at that. Hey, yo, there's mirrors up here. Mirrors everywhere. I guess it opens it up. If there wasn't mirrors, it would feel mad small. But I guess that's kind of smart. Here, I'm gonna show y'all the top. Oh look, any details there. I'm gonna show y'all up there now.
Okay, yes, I see you.
What's the first? I'm still connected.
Yeah, you still there.
Now you can see it up here. Further down there. We still green it up.
Yeah, that shit pretty. I feel it.
With another angle.
I had
This
one
is
on
just
one
top
like
floor,
2
okay.
months ago. It was a little bit smaller than that one. It was in
Hey, this one's 65.
Reacting off of Asia highs on ES. And Q retested the first presented.
Nah, yeah. I'm kind of glad it's tracing. I tell you, I don't be good at shit, so it makes my life a little easier today compared to if I would have had a good opportunity.
He just came a couple points away from my entry. It's crazy.
Fuck no.
Let's see if we embrace this level right here.
This Wednesday, I just feel like it has so much volume in the beginning. It might just hop around. I'm going into 11 o'clock to be honest. Yeah, I know. I've heard. Waiting for Trump to shoot someone. I just throw this little missile or something. Throw a little missile in there.
30 didn't even run Asia low. Retested midnight opening though.
Okay, what? 50 million ain't enough for that. Up the numbers.
It's never enough.
What are you gonna do? What with that money? It's gone. Yeah. If you can do that to the president, at that point everyone's free game. Ain't nobody sitting that point. Really, you know? You really got that ability to really make a decision.
Y'all heard that nigga just exempted himself from taxes for life?
Hey, shout out to him.
That's crazy.
I be paying taxes. I never noticed when I pay.
How do they even let a nigga do that though? Like, how does that work?
It don't even matter how it works. I'm president, I'm gonna make it work.
They're never allowed to be audited.
I don't like how 30 didn't take Asia low.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna push towards that shit too.
But I mean, it's reacting off of midnight opening. So I mean, midnight opening could just be a level where we want to reject from. It's already taking hella lows, but I still see 30 using that volume to maybe sweep the low. Let's see. This 30 could flip right here.
Yeah, I see it as well. I see exactly what you're saying.
But price would need to expand and then kind of give us that V-shaped recovery.
Exactly.
Oh man, this gonna be one of the ones today, man.
Oh, there go NQ. Blasting on. See what 30 US doing.
I'm not trying to be on here long. Like I said, Wednesday is the one day I'm willing to.
NQ didn't even tap. NQ didn't even clear the liquidity, bro.
Enjoy yourself.
Bro, Nasty even cleared the liquidity.
Bro, I'm saying, bro, that was my entry right there. If
It could at least have the favorite gap. Yeah, that's all I needed, bro.
Literally.
That's all I needed.
I don't got that. He got something up.
Bro, I ain't trained today by efficient, bro.
Look like we might go long.
That's all I wanted. That's all I needed. I gotta follow my rules, bro. I can't force trades. I gotta follow my rules.
You sure do.
Let's see what's up.
You know what you gotta
I gotta
do.
follow my rules, bro. That was an A+ setup too. If it would have cleared out the liquidity, that's on that. That's on that whole shit, bro. That's TP4 right there, bro.
Hey, yo, the 30 is returned. Okay, his Ali's long might play out.
Oh, there go that 30 long right there. Low key, shit.
Oh, that's a big move right there.
How many,
I'm saying if I'm waiting for shorts, I'm not taking this shit until 10 o'clock.
132.
I'm mad right now, bro. I feel violated, bro.
That's a crazy ass move.
You good, Dre? You look like you scratching something. Anyway, bro, but like,
Let's see if we can get this.
I feel violated. I feel violated right now, bro. That's really did
132.
that. That really pulled one on me.
I forgot. What's 30s? 1 micro on 30 per tick. Yeah.
Like how much it is?
Yeah. $5 or some shit.
I think it's 3. Maybe, I don't know. I think it's 3, yeah.
For 1 micro. I just want to calculate this shit right.
With a 50 would be like $25. 25, 50 divided by 25, what, 2? 52? Yeah, where the reason at? Where the reason?
Well, we got about 130 point stop on 30.
Oh my gosh, man. You really pulled one on.
Let's see. Let's measure this premium.
Yeah. Probably got a wacky Wednesday. And we got Nas pushing.
It just cleared Monday's high, so I would probably want to see price come in, respect this gap right here, and then we just catch the bounce.
Gave a pullback all the way to the 1 hour gap. It tapped it, but I'm not willing to take the short until it's 10 o'clock. If I really do want to take them. So I'm not trying to get caught in the chop, 9:30 chop. I'd rather let it do what it do. Especially Ali looking at longs. It makes me believe Wednesday's going to do exactly what I think Wednesday might do.
Hey, I was looking for longs.
Yeah. He trades fundamental, so he's more biased off of that too.
Makes sense. I really want to take this 30 long, I'm not going to lie, but I don't feel like calculating that shit. But it would be a trade idea right here.
They got home to 7 a.m. sharp. Like, I don't know what he asked me. What's this position? I'm like, I think they just went sometime. 7 a.m. It was like, it's like 12. I figured this would be the first quarter.
I know how this candle close. I might take this shit too.
Let me see. Oh, that's not too bad.
Like Wednesday, like even on 30, it came back close to running that 36 levels. Patience.
Come on, Nazzy. Come on, Naz. What we on? What we on, bro? We trying to eat. We got bills to pay.
Alright, and Q's here in this area.
Naz, what you doing? I'm trying to go to another game. Naz, what you finna do?
Don't buy both of them. Like all the people, like if they don't buy it because of how much it let you run it out and shit. Always like I don't. Yeah, I think it's definitely. I think I would buy it, but it would have to be big. But like, well, I definitely want to get like a weight phone. I would have to have a lot of money though.
Yeah, 30 long might play out, but let's see if we get that touch.
Like if you haven't run it out, after a while, it's not supposed to hold out. You have to run it out, check it through an asset, and whatever you want to do.
It's 950. I mean, shoot, I wouldn't be opposed to taking a long maybe right here in this at this time. Y'all want to trust 30?
That's why I have it like
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I might go to the game tonight, man.
That shit might go long.
Shoot, I might go to this game,
just
bro.
not choppy right now. I hate the choppy, man.
But this seat looks too good, bro. I might have to go to this game tonight. Bro, I might have to push my hair appointment back again.
Ooh, look at NQ. I want to see what kind of reaction we get from here.
See, everything's chopping right now. Nasty's brand new tires and it's just consolidating right here with a dope on the hour. I wouldn't be surprised if they give a pullback though.
Of course, I see.
How many of y'all have been on the yacht before?
I got one last year.
Yeah, I've been on one twice.
I was on with like the oil last year.
Been on a few.
I'll say yeah, it's good to be able to do it. I would recommend you do it with a lot of people.
Yeah, do it with people.
It's
If you
always
got
better with
it's gonna
people.
be easier.
Can I do it with you?
Huh?
Can I get on y'all with you?
I don't like your
Damn, bro.
maybe next time. Ask again next time. Maybe next time. You know.
Bro, I don't even got boats like that, bro. Cause I told y'all I can't swim, bro. I be scared of the water sometimes.
Yeah, you can learn to swim, bro. Cause you ain't gonna enjoy it to the full extent if you can't swim. I ain't gonna lie. Cause look, this right here, it's only gonna do so much for you, bro. It's only gonna do so much for you.
Hey, bro, I'll be happy down there. I'll be happy to be on their boat.
It's not. You gotta get the full experience. Like right now, we made this really gonna be like more of a work. So we're gonna get the jet skis and shit too. We're gonna be out here for 4 hours, but maybe like we're gonna record. We're gonna get content. I want to IRL stream out here. I'm recording right now. Trade wise, I don't think I'm gonna get any crazy. It's Wednesday, so you know what I'm saying. But it'll be like a work. Yeah, vibe. That's it.
Yeah, so I'm saying, if I can minus in that water, y'all finna get some free content off of me. y'all gonna see a grown man crying in that water.
Cal gonna be the second person walking on water.
I'm like throwing the water going wrong. You can't swim.
I kind of want to take longs right here. I'm kind of fighting with it.
But I like longs. I ain't gonna prep to it.
I don't like nothing. I think I just don't like Wednesdays and Thursdays, to be honest.
I'm only gonna take
Tuesdays
it
and Thursdays are the days I like to trade the most. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those are my 2 days right there.
I just don't feel comfortable because it didn't fill in that fair value. It didn't fill in that the liquidity sweep, and then that fair value gap still right there. Yeah, I still don't feel comfortable taking that.
30 look like it's gonna blast
The
off.
rejections, yeah, that's what
And
I'm
look,
saying.
now it's done right now.
The
See, I don't
rejections
feel
are
comfortable
trying to
with
go
that.
down. I just feel like it's just going to go back up. It's like it's just straight back up.
The only thing I would say,
It's sitting in this area.
the difference between Nats and 30 is Nats randomly ties and been consolidating. US 30 hasn't really ran any new high. You
Yeah.
gotta take action.
Ran London
I would
lows.
say it reversed almost. And then it reversed all of today's price action. It didn't run yesterday's low.
Alright.
30 about to push up. You waiting for it to close. You got in? You got in or not yet? You gotta find out. They like longs. Right now, my chat, they like longs on 30. I got a charge.
Yeah, 30 won't come to that
Yeah,
entry.
that's why I was like recording on my laptop. This shit gonna die extra quick. I'll leave them long. So the people that like the longs too, you got another buy fund. Look, I'll show y'all his chart.
On 30, yeah.
Yeah, he long on 30. I ain't long on nothing.
Everything else.
For the laptop? Yeah. Yeah. I got you, bro.
Well, my idea is fine now. We just didn't get that retracement deep enough. Let's see if we can hold this level right here on NQ. We might be able to get bulls. Maybe if we close back above 50% of this gap, maybe with some volume, might take an aggressive long on NQ. Since 30 is not pulling back for the retracement. ES on the other hand, we got this inversion. At the change in the state of delivery, so now we just rebalancing. So ES might be gone from this level. I think NQ might be my best bet to catch something. Yeah, ES might be. I don't know. It would have to expand from right here, which that's what I would need from NQ. NQ. I mean, we are building up orders here around this level. Let me see what the 1 minute look like. Oh, this is the 1 minute. 5 minute. Swipe. What are we doing this well?
Oh, it's Jordan. You got Nash, Jordan to go? So you think Nash is gonna drop and you think 30 is gonna go up?
Look, so overall, fundamentally, I'm bullish, but I think that the way Nas is playing, I think Nas still wants to sweep.
There's still. This is 30 though.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Nash.
Top down, I'll try.
Just gotta wait.
Like I was playing off of this level, like going down lower. You ain't even down my time frame. It's hard.
I got hour, 4 hour. That's what I stick with.
Like that it swept these highs. Okay, like basically the way I would see it is played off of this on minute 5. It didn't give me necessarily the entry I wanted on the minute 5. So like what I would have wanted to see at this point is to refine this zone down to minute 1.
At 10 o'clock open.
There's a bunch of orders resting right here at this level, around this 938 level on NQ. So I see what he means, but if we can establish ourselves a little higher on NQ, we might just get a run back towards this weekly opening.
I cooked myself. Yeah, my entry would have been like.
Oh,
Yeah, I just need this Wednesday chop. This is
Thursday's coming
I like
lower.
your 30 trade.
your 30 looks better than Nash right now.
Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out.
Now we just gotta be patient, especially on a Wednesday.
30's
Listen,
coming back down for that
All I
entry.
would tell you is the whole same thing I told my team. I'm not willing to trade Wednesday because Wednesdays be fucking frying, and then you didn't trade Wednesday all month. So I was like, I wonder if he'll trade today. Let's see if he wants to submit to the Wednesday. Me with Wednesday, that'd be cool. Wednesday could eat a fat one.
Of course, this shit want to go at the new candle.
Yeah, Nash looks like a super check then back up. Is it 10 o'clock? Yeah, that's why we just got the 10 o'clock open. Patience.
30 entry about to hit, I think. Yeah, I like it. Waiting on NQ to go up. ES is falling slowly.
Andre, you went for TP2 or TP3?
I ain't in nothing. It's aim for nothing.
Oh, you're not? I thought you got in on US 30.
Man, we ain't taking nothing.
You would have known if I was in. Trust.
Based off your markup, you're right.
I mean, yeah, so far it looks like it did go up and get the rejection. I just personally wasn't. This isn't a preferable move. This also happened before 10 o'clock. I would have rather that retracement happened at 10 o'clock, but I'm kind of cool off it right now. Wednesday just be choppy for me, that's all. But it's also one of those days where Wednesday could do exactly what you wanted to. It just might take some time. No cap. But I'm patient right now. I'm chilling right now. Not gonna lie. Just trying to get all this content.
Okay, we retesting. We got some lows here.
Hey, we back on that YouTube grind.
I don't like how we closed right here. I want to see a sharp rejection. So we might want to run this low right here. The short-term low on 30. Let's see. You know what? Just because I don't trade 30 a lot, let's just put one in. You know what I mean? Let me see how much.
Crazy entry.
I don't really trade 30 for real,
If
so.
wonder I got a snapper entry, I ain't gonna lie.
I get that 30 shorts. Hope it continues falling.
Yeah, I took it on a paper trade. I'm up $1 million.
They all look ugly, though. They all look.
This should fall because I've been on a losing streak. Wow.
They all looking ugly, bro. Man, I ain't turned to the blinking charts. Matter of fact, we can see if I can migrate down early so I can go to the game tonight.
Let's see if this 30 trade plays out. I'm only in one contract. Because fuck it. It's like putting in a penny at the slot machine. Fuck it, let's see what they do. Still within the macro here. So, grand liquidity, we got some volume, we broke bullish, we're at a key level, we're in a time interval. Let's see if 30 want to submit. But yeah, we got orders built up here, building up at this level. Either it's going to blast down or up from here. Definitely want to see 30 move harder. Let's watch this low.
Damn.
So I'm low risking. I ain't trading nothing crazy today. I should do that.
Okay. There we go.
Go and sweep that low.
If he takes an L on Wednesday and not trading Wednesday all month, you already know. You know exactly what that means. Because I keep saying the same shit. It ain't over. So that's one thing a lot of people get wrong about trading is either you're gonna draw down and panic, or like people will take a loss and be like, oh fuck, I gotta make it back, and then you go down the spiral, you end up blowing your entire account. That ain't the way to go. Even if I lose this one, even if you lose 90% of your account, right? That shit ain't over until it's fully over. Now, that's what I'm saying. A lot of times I'll have people, they'll be like, oh, I'm in hella drawdown. Should I just start a new account? I'm like, what the fuck, just finish it. You ain't even lose the account yet. They be like, I only got 100 drawdown. What should I do? Finish.
blow that motherfucker or get back up.
I'm in that position right now.
I was up to 80K. So I brought myself up to 80K, and from that moment, I lost 70K. And that day was just heavy, like revenge. And you see your account go from 80K to 10K at one point. And you're like, it starts to mess with you a little bit. And I had to remove myself. I had to detach and be like, all right, cool. I lost all shit today, but if I can really train, if I really got that skill set, I'll bring it back up. And it doesn't have to be immediate. That's the reality.
I never immediate. Like I told y'all, like your system works over time, not every day.
So on that moment, that was the most pivotal thing across that whole journey. Is like facing that realization. Okay, I was wrong here. It's cool. Let's get right and let's get in sync. And then, bro, it just started flowing. And it was small. That the rest of that month, I made like 30K. Then the next month, I made like fucking 600K. Bro. Like, shit flips like that. The consistency builds. You get the market conditions in your favor. When you let your system play out over time, it just flips.
That's a fact. I'm telling you, patient. I mean, so far, like I said, you ain't out this trade yet. The best thing that can happen is this goes in a profit, and then this is the whole. You got a testimony.
Hey, I'm in the long.
Let's see if he can get out of this Wednesday of doom. We got Kel's also in long. You ain't alone, bro.
No, I put a little penny in the slot machine.
Yeah, my boy said he put a penny in the slot machine. He gonna see what he can do. But he's in longs too. And that's why I'm saying that both you in longs. Usually, I'm the opposite of Kel. So, yeah. Not sure what that says about me.
You know, I don't ever trade 30.
Yeah, you're also on 30 too, which you've been on now, so it's a little different. Bro, these yachts be big as shit. Like, y'all think we on a big boat? And then you see this shit.
Well, there's some out here that are fucking ridiculous. Like, when I was in Spain, I saw some like $200 million.
When they get back up on
yeah, you
IQ.
probably, where was I? When I went to Cabo. When I went to Cabo, I forget who was I seen. I think it was the guy who, like, of Google. Yeah, like, it was a big one. It was a big one. Like, one of them ones where us next to it made it look like a little fucking transport boat. And you're looking at it like, damn, you're far as shit. You're on the top of a mountain, but it's like, you're taking a picture, it don't even fit in the camera. Type shit. It's like a cruise ship. That's some shit I need. With that. With a helipad. I hear for all the people that be listening to Drake, Pinky on the River, look at this shit empty. This is what happens, Pinky on the River at 9 a.m.
It's the best time to make some music.
Bro, that's a nice place.
Now, it's a cool little spot. Like, if you got some money, you got a boat, pull up, you get some food.
You can just ride the little water taxis. But it's gonna hit different.
All I remember was a ton of guys in there with their chicks, and all you see is every girl in the restaurant looking at me and my girl. And we're just like, I don't drink, man. We had bottle service, no hookahs, like, we were just fucking shit up. Like, everything coming out to y'all, we're not at Kiki. I just see everybody's girl.
It's different. It's Miami's it's like a pyramid. Miami's like a pyramid, like eat or be eaten.
It's not, yeah. You know, it's way bigger.
Yeah, there's always you think you're a big fish till a shark come around.
In LA,
that's why I kind of like it too. It's like, but there's pros and cons to it because some people will drive themselves crazy because of it, but also you might just drive yourself crazy and then win because of it. So
some people get lost in the sauce.
That's a fact.
It's one thing to see what other people have, and like use that as like motivation to do something. But it's a whole other thing to see what other people have and try to say that you got it like you don't.
That's what I be saying. I ain't even rich. I'm working. I'm forever a student to the game. I don't care how much money I got. Trust me, I'm forever gonna be saying I'm broke. Forever gonna be like, nah, I'm working. I'm not. People be like, oh, you doing great. I'm like, yeah. I'm not where I want to be.
Exactly.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be where I want to be. That's just.
To me, it's always about what I want, however I want it, whenever I want it. So like, I can do that at some sort of level, right? But there's always a bigger level, and I feel like that's why that being my goal will always make me get better. It's like, all right, let's say I want to travel. At first, it was like I couldn't travel. Then it was like I could travel anywhere economy, stay at like whatever hotel. Then it was like I could travel first class, stay at 5-star hotel. But then it's like, what if I want to travel private? Bro, till this day, I still haven't been on a private jet. Like, I'm trying to get to that. Like, I want to book PJs. I want to be comfortable enough to do that.
That's what I'm saying. The same thing we're doing right now, somebody doing it, but with a PJ. They're like, we're just going to take the PJ over there and then do exactly what we're doing. They're like, oh, we just going to trade on the PJ. That's a whole nother level.
I ain't
But
gonna
it's
lie, that
levels.
shit's so
similar level.
player.
But
That shit's so plain.
It's different. It's like, oh, we got a meeting. Let's just trade on the go. Oh wait, we fell. We're up at 30. I ain't gonna lie. 30 is dumping. How you feeling, Cal? How you feel trading 30 for the first time in a while?
I'm chill. That's the same shit.
He's like, yeah, this is exactly what I remember.
Same shit. Well, we just ran the short-term low, so let's see if we get some expansion to the top side right here. This would be the last chance for 30 to go long right here.
Andre, you're different for calling the trade. It happened and didn't even take it. That's a season
Trade
trade.
do that shit all the time.
It'd be like that. In my eyes, I didn't even miss nothing. I didn't even want to take it. Like mentally, I don't feel like I missed a trade. It'll be different if like my intention was. That's why I always tell you guys too, like with intention, because if my intention was to call that trade because I wanted to take it, I would have probably felt more emotions from not taking it. But since I didn't necessarily care to take it or care to be in it, I don't feel the same. I didn't miss nothing. I didn't.
Right, so it wasn't even confident to take that motherfucker.
Confidence is key.
Confidence is key. You got to be able to be patient. Like Ali said, you could have a 30K month and then a 600K month. But it is not being confident, because if you were to give up when you had that down month, when you lost it all, when you lost your account, you're never going to be there to see the fruits of your labor for next season. It's just sticking with it.
Like some lucky shit too.
It could be a week later. I mean, it's like I always say, you're going to have a lot of L's for you get W's. So, okay.
That's right. I lose.
You got to stack up.
But you see why see my remaining.
Here we go.
Of the account.
Come on, 30. Get out there. Yeah. NQ pushing, ES pushing, I think. I don't know. ES looked like it got the London low to reach for.
I got in off that Nas gap. It went and filled it again. I'm break even already.
Ooh, there you go. Come on now. Come on now.
What is moving?
Let's go. Come on.
It came a couple of points the first time.
That's why I said this is the last low. The last chance to 30 to go long.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
Hey, bro, you might as well. Everyone learning. We gonna have them learn too.
Damn. She passed that motherfucker in one day.
You're technically a forex broker, correct? You should CFDs, just 39.
Nah.
Oh wow, it did get the entry. I stopped looking. Yeah, she came back.
There goes 30 right there. I would say once 30 breaks past that next high would be a good time to break even.
You buys right now, 8?
I said whoever got into that 35 just now is even.
Oh yeah, the 30 boss for sure.
That's why I was saying that's the last point of rejection. If we didn't hold that low, then this trade was rinsed.
Anybody get into that? Or no?
Oh yeah. No, I've been holding.
I was watching Nas, the one I got. I was waiting for liquidity to swept. I see he just swept it like 2 minutes ago, but I ain't looking.
Oh, you did.
Nah, I was looking at the charts at the moment. I thought Nas was already gone for the day. I didn't realize it retraced again.
Yeah, I caught that hang a lot.
Yeah, up 82.
That was a sniper
70,
entry.
80, something like that.
Yeah, that's good.
I just had
That
to
shit,
check.
I said 70. That bitch just went up to 122. Ew, no, that's crazy.
Yes, sir.
Bro, it's floating 100.
Oh, I should have put that big
As
boy
soon as
in
I
that
seen That
motherfucker.
shit shot up. That's crazy.
It is flying. My boy's eating right now. Here, let me show them this shit. Like, he might be good.
That's good
He might be
shit.
good. He's back up. He was
Oh,
down
no,
like
he's
90.
eating. That nigga's definitely eating. That shit said 24K.
Come on,
Nah,
man.
it is flying. That's
Sniper shit.
Nah, that's good cause.
All right, time to get on this road.
I ain't gonna lie, you stay calling shit out though. When I first came in here, you was calling shit out, and I took a couple of the shit you was taking. That was when I first jumped into this chat. Yeah, when I first jumped into this chat.
What are you talking about?
No, I think.
When I hit. You know what I'm saying? I hit big. Keep the losses small, hit big.
You got for this.
I'm probably on average, my average losses like 200 to 400.
What you say?
Anybody just catch those buys?
Yeah, Ollie's and longs, Kel's and longs. Both y'all.
Yeah, and I like this break. This would probably be a good area to add in.
Good shit, bro. You got Jacob in buys. Jacob made 1,000 with longs. Kel's up. Ollie's up.
We up 200 ticks on 30. Hey, I might have to start trading 30 too. Shit.
Let's see this TP good.
I got 30 going 50K.
Hey, same here, so
I think it's not really good. Okay, it took me 2 years.
I'll tell you, like the last 2-3 years, you can do good.
This has been my fucking best.
If ES goes back down in the range, which I don't expect it to. Here, let's do this. 50% pullback.
It's more about the knowledge. You can attest it.
More skill based.
The money will come. Yeah, and nothing will ever replace it. Right? You could learn from the best fucking world. Teach you 40 years of experience. You gotta find the right system. That to me is like what you learn from something. To me, whether it's him, whether it's anyone else, figure out their system. Take their system, learn, experience wise.
7,500.
You gotta make it work towards you. That's the thing too. People will try to copy him word for word, bar for bar, but you're not him. You didn't go through the things that make him him. He didn't go through the things that make you you. So you gotta be able to cater towards yourself. When you try to copy word for word, it could work, but it not might work every single time. You might not be able to do it consistently. It might work one time, a month, 2 months, but you want to be able to do it consistently. Like I tell everybody, bills gonna keep coming. You want to be able to. You need to have something consistent. If you get one payout, one withdrawal, that's cool. But if you're not doing it consistently, it's only gonna do so much in the grand scheme of things.
It's like, bro, think about it. Like, if I put on a fit and I go flying, it don't mean that you don't put on the same fit. So it's like, you gotta tailor it to yourself. Yeah. Where was I? Oh, yeah, so.
I ain't even up that much for real.
Shit, I feel like you're trying to.
Little gas money.
Skill versus money. Skill versus money.
Smart for you. And that's it. So, what I did was, I wanted to see, like, I wanted to just take $100, make a ring. I get a pump. All right, cool.
Yeah, 30 should fly. I ain't gonna lie.
I call up one of my boys. I was like, bro, just trying to take some money. Build that shit to a bill. Let's try to do it. So then I started trading, brought myself to that level. It took me like 13 weeks. And I turned, bro, day one to the street. Literally on top of one, I had gotten still more. Still on top of the point, I said, need 20 for trading. Strangers give me $50, put it in my account. 13 weeks later, I did. I'm 150. That's what I mean by like, it's more about the skill set. It is about like, I think that's like the biggest thing. Obviously, the capital's gonna help. Shit, but at the end of the day, like, you got all the fucking money in the world if you don't know what you're doing.
You gotta have experience and confidence.
I think I like longs right here on NQ.
Like, yeah, I've had the idea of quitting. I've had the thought of quitting, but just because we have the thought doesn't mean you have to take action on it. I mean, we all feel certain ways. He might feel like shit, seeing $70,000 down, but as long as he doesn't take action based off of how he feels, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying?
Before you enter the trade. A lot of people, bro, get into this shit dumb, and they want to use it to make money fast. I think it's what you will. Like, bro, you literally just saw my phone go from negative 70K to positive 70K in a couple minutes. That looks like one thing, but imagine if there was $70,000 in front of us right here, and every fucking second it's just like going down, down. So a lot of people like when it comes to desensitized to money, they don't expect it, they expect it. At the end of the day, it's people try to gamify this, but it's a real thing.
experience. So yeah, confident. He's done it before. It's not the first time you're in this situation. Like think about it like this. If you keep driving down the same road and keep hitting the same pothole every day, you're either gonna take a different road or no to avoid that pothole. Just because you've been through it enough times. That first time, that second time, that third time, it might catch you off guard. You wanna like, damn, I forgot. But after 4 or 5, 6, you're just doing it to yourself. It's just a matter of now. It's just normal. It's part of the game. You think of a solution to solve it, or you keep going through the same thing and expect to change.
So to me, it's like, bro, once all the decision making is done before me. It's like I prep, like within probably shit at. Right? I don't fucking eat like shit all week and then expect to go race level, like change up something with my race, change my race style. Tell my used to trap. You run the relay. You know, when you run the relay, you do steps, measure steps, no distance. Switch distance. So you fucking, it's the day of the race. Let me change this shit, let me change my steps. This is my target. My target for it. It's a certain like I don't even try to sense I said you fucking numbers, fucking shit, bro. I can't say it to you, hey bro, being emotionless when you're trading. I think that's bullshit. At the end of the day, bro, you see fucking money on the screen. Exactly, bro. You know how many people out there like this isn't their full-time shit yet. It's still working job. And it's like somebody could just work their entire week. And one day they're up that 1 hour they lost the fucking motivation. So I know it's an emotional game. That's why I say like going with the plan. I was scared. There's nothing like if you go in fucking risk your plan. Let's say you double it on the first try. You triple it on the second try. The third try goes good. And every time you're enjoying it.
Okay, good. I was gonna say.
I just put it. You have a more of an edge in. Because the thing between gambling and trading, somebody can go into trading and treat it as gambling and get gambling results, but you gotta have an actual edge. If you don't have an edge, it's just you're throwing money in the water and expecting to make something from it. Exactly. Because risk management, you don't gotta take anything you don't want to take. Like even he traded, I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here, I'm just chilling right now. But I didn't have to do nothing. And I also can't have that FOMO. Damn, let me just hop in. I did not fuck Wednesday. I don't even care. I fuck around. He could make money. I fuck around, get in and lose. That's how trading could also be so different. Say it again. Anywhere from like 9:30. 9:30 is like the open. Depends if you're Eastern. If you're in like West Coast, like for him, it'd be like 6:30 a.m.
I'll just be alright here. Fuck it. I ain't tripping. Alright, so I'm in NQ longs now.
If you have a job like this, it'll be a lot easier. If you already, like for example, this is you working right now. You're getting games, so say for them, you do everything you need to, everyone's taken care of. Pull your phone, the laptop, like this is gonna be here regardless. This is gonna be here. I'm walking around doing this whole time. It's not gonna go nowhere. That's the main thing. It's not gonna go nowhere.
I'm in NQ longs. We working.
I don't really trade. Should take 1-2 hours on average. It's just like free game. You know, you let that shit happen. If I lose today, fuck it. I do football into my hands. Same shit with sports, bro. Basketball, soccer, football, whatever it is. If you lost your game today, still show up to the next game, bro. But like, if you lose your game, I gotta fucking do some shit to tear your no. Shut up. I feel like as an athlete, I have a little bit of edge. Understand? It's not battle.
30 target about to hit on the longs.
So what you up so far?
Woo! Let's go. TP finna get smacked.
Now my boy up. We saw him in drawdown. Y'all seen it here first.
TP,
down 70,000
let's go.
up 70. And we did it while giving some game.
Come on, bro. It's literally right there, dog.
That was crazy. Show how close the stop loss got. That's why I said it ain't over till it's over. It ain't over till it's over. Bro's stop loss got ticked.
Oh, my stop loss
shit.
Oh, see,
nah, Kel's about. You both got like the same target. Look at this. Both of you are like in the same trade right now, Cal. Like if I were to just. He's just going for a different risk reward, but both of you, the target right there, both of y'all have like the same stop loss.
He might be swinging his. I would shoot. I'd be targeting 50K on 30. Ain't gonna lie.
He's looking to get out like right where you are, bro. He's looking to get out where like you are.
Low key, I might just close this. Huh?
Yeah, I think this has a different stop loss. That's it. It's a different entry. That's what it is. You got the same SL. Yeah. I'm on. Oh, you're a little bit higher. Yeah, it is a better entry. That's crazy. I don't know what he might have got in one. You know what it was? He got in one. Yeah, you were already in. He got in after. Makes sense.
which right now, I think I'm picking one system. On your system, that should make some money.
If I would have tried to trade his trade, that's what I was saying. If I would have tried to trade just because I saw him up money, I might not trade anything like that. I might deviate. I fuck around, lose. Now I'm mad at myself. Why did I even do that? I didn't have no reason to. Now I'm mad, and all I had to do was absolutely nothing. All I had to do was do what I was supposed to. But when you want to like try to chase something else, try to chase a different result, your intention starts to change. Instead of following your process, you're trying to make money. You're trying to pass an account. You're trying to get a withdrawal.
No bullshit.
Literally. Forcing that shit hurts. That shit hurts.
Like that. He's like,
damn, this 30 trade, man.
you said you were gonna hold. He told you to hit. He was like, fuck, bust. Like, damn. And then the dealer bust. You're just like, all I had to do was just, I trusted myself. That's pretty different. It'll just be my confidence. I might take the trade, it might play out, but I might not have that same level of confidence in it. He might be perfectly fine. I'm more worried because maybe it has a wider stop loss than I'm used to. I don't go for 1-to-1 either. So there's a whole bunch of different things. But like I said, you gotta cater to what works best for you. Some people might not even have the time to be here and look at the charts like us, so they gotta use more like limits because they're not actually able to be here. But it just really depends on your situation. Funded accounts they limit more, but a live account.
Oh yeah, NQ longs hitting.
Free game, you can just go home account if you want to.
NQ longs. Anybody on these? Yes sir, 30 TP just hit.
30 hit for you?
30 just hit. NQ's hitting.
Good shit. Oh shit, NQ hit too. That's fire.
87 on the trade. Good 87. Yeah, he gonna take you to dinner tonight. Dinner on him.
He said, I'm trying to feel like a bad bitch.
Take me out at this point. If I wait, take me out.
Bars. They didn't say that. You know what? I'll buy him. I'll buy him dinner. You're not going. You know what? Yeah. Cal, what about you dinner, man? I might buy you dinner.
Yeah, you actually owe me a dinner.
Yeah. I'll make you feel like a bad bitch, nigga.
Damn.
That's crazy.
That was a good trade. Yeah, that's a good timing too. 10:30. Can't complain. Shout out to you too, Cal. You got a trade too. I'm gonna buy you some black sweaters, some dinner. You deserve it, bro.
Oh yeah, this is another trade for you, bro. That's another dinner for you. Snipers.
Now you're pushing it, bud.
I'm about to go on the road. I'm about to get on the road today. Gotta get that bread up.
Here, I'm about to show y'all the little. This is our real trader lifestyle. And look, now I just come out here. You know what's crazy? There's noise canceling inside here. As soon as I open this, all the music is on. Look where we at.
Too fast.
We made it out to the water.
Beautiful. Record you a motivational speech real quick.
Morning.
Just gotta be patient. Even if you don't take no trades,
Here, I got the screenshot for you.
One bad day ain't a bad life.
Facts.
You jump in the water, what? Never seen me. But now, yeah, I'm about to be up out here, though. I'm about to get some more content, record it, enjoy the boat. Spend like an hour on work. No trades for me. Cal caught a trade. He caught a trade. Shout out to him. We got all that recorded. We even gave games for the steward. So, yeah, about to recruit him to the team. No days off. Be safe. Y'all, I'm going to nuts for you can tell for when we get some CP. If y'all need him, come down over to find me. Vlog coming soon. Always. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, stay busy. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I think I might move this back. Move this up. Alright, at this point we TP or BE. I don't care. Now this should come all the way back down then. Yeah, it is what it is. It was just meant to be. But I like how we got back above this first presented gap. We came through with some volume, closed above this high. We retraced 50% into the range, which is, you know, pretty typical and mechanical of the markets to pull back at least 50%. So hopefully this is that expansion leg right here that we just get. We'll probably, if we look over to the left, we got a weekly opening right here acting as a magnet, but we could run and sweep these highs over here. I've already swept this one right here. So, yeah, you got a high right here that's being respected. So we might just end up targeting it at least to right here. Let's see. Now let's see how we treat this previous day's high. Really want to see price respect this high and just bounce off of it. Hey man, shut your. Got an inversion right there. Let's see. I might want to reach for the slower one. Maybe take out this wick right here. Ideally, we just take this wick right here and reject. Kind of how like we did on the 30 trade. Looking at this too, damn, this shit could set up that way. We got gaps down here. Getting rejections from this high. I want to use this high, this previous day's high, as support. If we keep getting expansion, should be good. I'll probably move my stop up a little bit more. Let's see if there's an hourly gap. Any hourly gaps? Nope. There's 15. it's starting to look like it may pull back from lower. Let's see. I'm actually okay if we break even here. Only reason being is because we have this low right here. Let me mark this out because I know it's a lot of shit on my chart right now. But yeah, we got this low right here, and then below it we have this wick. So we broke structure again. So now we're trending bullish. We got some sell-side liquidity resting here. So worst case, we get stopped breaking even. I'll probably re-enter down here at this gap, and then probably just try to ride it to the high right there. So having a backup plan if plan A don't work out. Yeah, that's a solid one right there. I don't know if we get that. That's gonna be 2 TPs and a roll back to back, 2 different pairs, and we on the live stream on YouTube, man. Y'all go like up the stream for me. That's back to back dubs today for the stream.
Send the link out for I subscribe and shit.
Yeah, I'll resend it in the chat. I don't even know who's watching it, but let me see. Eat, baby.
I just subscribe.
Appreciate you. I'll probably shoot a vlog or some content this week. I've been meaning to. Just been working on shit, so. Oh yeah. When I get some time, I'm a what do they call it? Renaissance man. I do a lot of different things, so I try to make content when I can. Since I don't have like a full team, I'm probably have to steal Dre's new cameraman. Yeah. I'm like, hey, bro, I need you to pull up, shoot some shit. Maybe edit it, because that editing is what takes the longest. I don't care about shooting the content. It's just the editing. Chopping around at this level makes me think that we may want to still run this low right here. So, let's see. Yeah, I'm about to have to go pack this shit. Let's see, 30. I'm still waiting for 30 to get back down to this level right here. Oh yeah, let me take that off. Don't need that hanging around. $200, $300. So yeah, 300 is right by that weekly opening. And that 29,200. Come on, we got weekly opening right here. Ain't no way you ain't not gonna touch the weekly opening. Tested this one. Moving away from it. And now we're just gonna travel to the next weekly opening. Hopefully in due time. Let's I ain't lose nothing, so either way. Just in case this shit wanna spike down. Yeah. Alright, we got this next macro coming in 7 minutes. This shit happened right at the end of it, too. I don't like how we're sitting at this level for too long. Anybody else in anything? Y'all looking at anything?
I ain't even sit. I'm just spectating on this.
I'll say, shoot, if y'all got any questions, y'all can ask me while I'm here. If y'all need any analysis done, I'll mark that shit up real quick. Alright, getting some push. I like that bullish close above that choppy range. Hopefully it isn't just a accumulation manipulation move where we just manipulate up and then come lower. So we'll see. If we keep getting expansion towards the top side, we should be good. We should be good. But we need candle closure. That's the key. I did the unthinkable today. I traded NQ and 30. I haven't traded NQ and 30 in like years for real. I really just started trading NQ again. Like I traded 30 for like a whole year. I got my first funded account off of 30. And then after that I went to like NQ for like a year. Then I was on that for a year. Then after that I went to ES. And I just stuck with ES. But now that we back, I think I'm trading all of them. Yeah, but for me, I mean, technically it's all the same shit. Technically. It's just every pair moves differently.
Yeah, exactly. Some people might take it a little bit differently. It might be too much on their shoulder. Or too much at one time type shit.
Yeah. People get scared of the volume, but that's what we need to trade.
That's the same shit I be saying.
Otherwise, right now, we just watching paint dry.
Essentially.
This might try to do that same move that we did right here, inverse, come back through, run this low over here, and then close back higher. Ooh, that's not cool, though. That means I might break even.
Yeah, I was about to say that goes against what you got going.
That's cool. This position's already protected, so either way, I'm dubbing out. ES still need to pull back 50%. So we're gonna see if we want to hit that previous day's high first. That would be ideal. Let me see if there's anything else that we're gravitating to, any weekly openings. Got into that gap, swept that. So yeah, probably heading for that previous week high, back to all-time highs. Same here. I don't like when candles close bearish like this and we have a gap, even though we're getting this rejection from here. Personally don't like that look. I would have preferred the other weekly candle to be a bullish one, but yeah. Looks like we got a 15-minute gap here. See if we respect this rejection block here, we'll probably go to all-time highs and price will probably hit that external, come back internal to this gap. So let's see how we react from here. Respecting this bottom quadrant of the wick. We got a nice close back above after running this low. If we get back above these highs, then it's going to be like the same setup over here essentially, but on a smaller time frame. So right now I really need price to break above this high right here. Coming lower, respecting that wick. Let's see, man, so y'all can see. So yeah, respecting this 15-minute wick. So this should be a rejection area, but eventually we're gonna come back down and run these lows. So if we get the bullishness, that should push us higher, but we'll definitely come back lower to sweep these lows if we don't do it now, because we got a lot of orders built up at this level. So 30's doing 30, still pushing as expected. ES look like it's just gravitating towards the highs over here. So ES is trying to respect this level right here. This should push us up. Looking at it from this perspective. Yeah, that's what I'm looking and anticipating on ES. Got the same on NQ. We got 450 ticks on NQ. Straight. Respecting this previous day's high. Building up a lot of orders at this level on a higher time frame, which is nice. So look like we got a bullish, bearish, bullish pattern forming, which would be like a bullish momentum signature. We got about like 8 minutes left. I'll probably hang on here. I'm gonna hop off this bit. If y'all ain't in anything, ain't nobody got none for me. I guess we gonna be out there a bit, man. It was a good Wednesday. Typically Wednesdays are choppier, which it was, but hey, we made it out the trenches. So with that being said, man, y'all have a blessed rest of y'all's day. If anything, I might be.
Yeah, have a blessed one.
I'll probably be back mid-market, see if I'm gonna catch something in, but if not, I'll be on the road. But y'all boys be smooth, man. Yeah, chat, y'all see it on the screen. We pretty much done for the day. Today's pretty much OV. It was a solid trading day. Made about 150 on 30. Right now, this trade is currently up 620. So far, $700 on the day. Not too bad, you know, for a Wednesday, halfway through the week. You feel me? So we did what? 15 plus 1,000 plus, yep, then about 3 bands for the week. Close to $3,000 a week. Nothing too crazy. Some slight, some light. Come on, man, we right there. ES just took the highs. That makes me nervous. I ain't gonna lie, but we holding. We ain't folding. is all.